G'day everyone, Ryan here from Clancy's Ag. It's with great pleasure I can now introduce you to the Case Kit 11, the plug and play replacement kit for MX, Magnum, Steiger, Quadtrac and Patriot sprayers. This new kit has just been released by the team at Tiger Lights and is the brightest light kit today, with the centre light putting out over 15,000 lumens on its own. The corner lights are DOT and EU certified for road travel, and like all lights from the Tiger Lights team, they are made to plug and play into your machine without any modifications required. For the later series Steigers, which utilise a double centre light setup, they can be added to this kit, taking the entire kit up to 37,000 lumens. They will upgrade the performance of your light and will allow you to see further, see clearer and operate safer, and they will only draw 210 watts and 17.5 amps for the entire kit. We've had great success on the few machines that are running these already, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team here at Clancy's Ag in Toowoomba. Thank you.